What's up guys, in this video I will show you a really very good tool that you could use when you are trying to automate all your crypto trading. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of OneAIChain. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Now it is actually an artificial intelligence that is actually meeting the automated crypto trading. So in today's fast moving crypto market, opportunities appear and disappear within just a few seconds. So timing is very, very crucial. So you don't want to sleep and leave all those opportunities hanging. So what you want to do is automate your trading. That way, even when you are sleeping, even when you're off your phones or your computers, your trader will still be able to make all the trades that you need to make. That way, you will not miss out on any of those great opportunities. Now, this tool is actually monitoring the market 24/7, and that is where OneAIChain comes in. So it is an AI-powered ecosystem that is designed to help members access intelligent trading strategies through automated trading vaults built to analyze market conditions, identify opportunities, and execute those strategies more efficiently than just doing the manual trading alone. And as you can see, guys, when you head over to their website, they have videos there that you could actually play. Now, I would leave this all up to you guys. That way you would be able to, get more information as to who they are, what they do, and what are the things that are really great that would help you in making all your trades more efficient and very, very effective. Now, getting started with this one, guys, is very, very simple as well. So first, you just need to create your OneAIChain account and then activate your membership. Now here, you would also be able to get all these information like the features, how it works, the plans. I'll show that to you in a bit. You also have the security and you have the about, which will give you more information about them. Now, if you click on early access right here, it will take you to this part of their website where you would be able to sign up or register, okay, with all your information. And you also have the referral code there. Okay, so if you have a referral code, you would also be able to put it in here. Now that is mandatory, so you would also be able to get that in the description of the video as well as the comment section. That way you would be able to sign up or register without any hassle. Okay, so put in your email address, your name, your surname. You could also put in the country, okay, and then the gender. You have your phone number and of course your password. So you would already be able to create your account by just putting all those information. So you just have to click on I agree. So make sure to also, check out the terms of service and the privacy policy. That way you know all the ins and the outs, all the necessary information that you need for you to be able to log into OneAIChain. Once your membership is active, you could complete the verification and fund your account already. So the next step is going to involve activating a trading vault. Okay, so once you have already signed up here in the early access, you could actually go ahead and verify that in your email. Now, once you're done verifying that in your email, you will be able to log in and see this dashboard. Now, of course, I would strongly recommend do your own research, check this one out, because again, you don't need to invest anything right away. Okay, you can just go ahead and register and then verify it in your email and then log in. That way you will be able to see each and everything that it has to offer here inside the dashboard. So OneAIChain is actually designed to utilize advanced AI-driven market analysis and also automate your trading strategies. And of course, also automate your trading strategies. Now, it is going to be able to help you identify opportunities across the cryptocurrency market instead of manually monitoring the charts all day. So this system is evaluating market conditions and execute trades according to the predefined strategy parameters. Now, as you can see here, guys, so this is their dashboard. Once you log in, you will be directed here. Okay, so you have the total balance. Of course, this will be unlocked when you subscribe to their premium. Okay, so NAV or net asset value. You also have your available balance here and your allocated balance to your trades. Now, you will also be able to see the subscription right here, which for now, it is saying no active membership. So you could click on subscribe and it will take you directly here where you would be able to choose which specific membership you would like to subscribe to. Okay, so you have the starter, you have the growth, you have the pro, and you also have the elite. So these two are going to come in soon. So right now, the ones that are available are starter and growth as well. So you have the duration is 30 days for this one. Risk level is conservative. Standard pair trading, daily reporting is the ones that are included in that starter pack. Now, here in the growth, guys, optimized yield paths. So this is the one for $399.99. Okay, so duration is 60 days. Risk level is balanced. Momentum analysis, auto compounding, and live dashboards are the ones that are included in the growth membership pack. Now, you also have the AI vaults. Okay, so as you can see, you can deploy capital into high frequency algorithmic strategies managed by proprietary neural networks. Okay, now guys, your capital remains allocated to the selected vault while the AI powered system works around the clock to analyze, to execute, and to manage all your trading activity. So they are actually doing that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you will not miss out on any of the opportunities that presents itself. So you have everyday members who will also be able to monitor the vault performance directly from your dashboard, track activity, you could review your results, and manage the participation with complete transparency. You have transactions right here. Okay, so this one, you will be able to see all those transactions that were done so that you could audit the things that you need to do, right? For you to be able to know that, are you profiting? Do you still have, room for you to be able to continuously allocate funds, right? To get more opportunities down the line. So you also have the verification status right here. Okay, of course, I would strongly recommend that you do the 2FA security protocol. And of course, you also need to do your KYC once you have decided that you would like to push through with this one. So the question is, why OneAIChain, right? Because you have the AI-powered market analysis for this one. You have the automated trading execution. Of course, just like what I mentioned earlier, guys, you have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week strategy monitoring. You have secured blockchain infrastructure, very transparent member dashboard, and you also have the community-driven ecosystem. So just those things, is already something to ponder on. But again, I would strongly recommend, of course, go ahead, check out their website. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Make sure to do your own research. That way, you would also be able to, decide on your own if this is something that you would like to continue on. So whether you're new to the digital assets or you are an experienced market participant, OneAIChain provides access to the intelligent automation that is designed to simplify the participation into the cryptocurrency economy. So you have the cards right here, guys. Okay, card program that matches how your treasury actually moves. Okay, you have the virtual and the physical cards. Policy-driven spend, institutional controls are there as well. And of course, you could put in your email right here so you can join the whitelist when that gets implemented. All right, so you have the AI engine logs. Okay, so live neural feeds, live monitoring. So this is actually a very good, part for you to be able to see how it is actually processing each and every transaction. As you can see, you have transactions that are already filled, and there are transactions that are still processing. So from this, you will be able to see that the AI is actually working and doing its job. Okay, so now this is more than just a platform, guys. It is a smarter way to engage with the future of digital finance. So you could go ahead and activate your membership right here. Okay, so you choose your vault and let the artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting for you. So join OneAIChain today, do your own research, and become a part of the next generation of intelligent automated trading. So the future is intelligent, guys. The future is automated. So go ahead and check this one out. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is also available in the pinned comment section. And if this is your first, make sure to consider subscribing to the channel. I create new videos like this, artificial intelligence, that will help you out in, presenting more opportunities. And of course, make sure to do your own research. Check out all the videos that I have in the channel. It will definitely be very, very helpful for you to make better decisions to add up to all of the research that you're doing. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.